Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can assign the AI messages to your customers. So in order to do that as a partner, you have two options. So first option is as the customer's point of view, and second option is as the partner's point of view. So in case if you want to give access to your customers to purchase the AI messages from you, we need to do some configurations. So let's get started. Simply log into your partner's account. Once you are logged in successfully, on the left hand side you will find this configuration option. Click on that. Before configuration, you have to click on this integration option, and once you click on this integration option, after that you have to search for either ChatGPT or DeepSeek, Gemini, whichever provider you want to use, you can go with that. So let's say I'm using ChatGPT here. You will click on configure, add the ChatGPT key here, and click on connect. Once it is connected, then click on configuration. After that, once you click on configuration, go to the fourth option of default AI messages. After that, once you click on this default AI model, then it will ask you to choose the platform, which platform you would like to configure here. So as of now, the ChatGPT is connected. After that, you will get an option to set a default limit. So you can set a limit how many free messages, or you can say how many AI messages a customer can get without any charge in their plan. So whatever limit you will set here, it will reflect here, like that will be added to the customer's account. Next, we have three options: allow customer to purchase AI credit, allow customer to integrate their own keys, allow image scraping. So in case if you want that your customer can purchase credits from you, you can turn on this toggle. If you want to allow your customers to integrate their own key to your account, to their in their account, so you can turn on this toggle. Last is allow image scraping, so you can turn on this toggle if you want to give these permissions to your customer. And once you are done with this, simply click on update. So from here you are all done. After that, in case if your customer wants to purchase an add-on from you for an AI messages, so for that you can simply create add-on, and for especially for AI messages. And once you have that add-on for those customers, so they will pay you, and they can get credits as per the configuration. And lastly, if the customers are using the credits of your, in that case, the key that you have integrated on your partner's account, that will be used. So on your OpenAI account, make sure to have balance so that the customer doesn't face any issue regarding the same. So this is how you can use the ChatGPT key, or you can do the integration of ChatGPT for your customers from the partners panel. That's all about this video, and please let us know in case if you have any queries. You can reach us at support@botpenguin.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.